What is up, everyone? Welcome to another video, and this is going to be the May haul. Everything that I found in the month of May. It's not much, it's a little bit. I haven't been able to go to the stores, and the 3 or 4 stores that I've been able to go, it wasn't here in the valley. I went to a wedding up by Austin, by Spicewood, and I think it's Bee Cave, somewhere around Lake Travis. There was a wedding. I got to go hunt over there, and this is what I found. So let's get into it real quick. The most anticipated ones that I'm kind of happy that I found was these Batman, the Scooby-Doo and Batman version, the colors of Scooby-Doo, the Mystery Machine, but in the Batman, in the Batmobile. Awesome. I was so happy to find these. For me, this is my treasure hunt, or my chases. And there were 3 of them that I was so happy to find, which was the Batman, this Spider-Man, the little buggy. This is the Spidermobile. Happy to find it because it's part of the Screen Time series. And the 3rd one that I was happy was this Mustang. It's been hard for me to find these. My brother and my friend are looking for them. To give me some, because yeah, man, we haven't been able to find some here in the valley. These are so they picked these up real fast. This 92 Ford Mustang, not the supers, feel pretty heavy. I like that. So those are the 3 most ones that I was happy to find, because I've been looking for them for a while. And the other ones that I found was this this Corvette Stingray in chrome. Super cool. I like that car, so I kind of I'm happy that I picked it up, so I can have it in the collection. Haven't seen it. That was the first time I saw it, so I picked it up. I got another Batmobile. Or actually, I think my wife or my son got me this Batmobile. Yeah, I think my wife picked it up with my son. They went to the store, and they know I love Batman, so they picked it up for me. Thank you. Love you guys very much. And then on Target, these were the ones that I found. This is the custom 55 Cadillac in red, and we also have it in blue. We got picked 2 of those up, so I can unbox one, keep the other one sealed. And then I found this one, this HM Rapid Responder, Target exclusive as well, in red. Pretty cool. I like this one. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna open those. And then lastly, I found this beauty. The second one I was that I needed. I already have the Ford, which is right there. Look at that. So I already have both of them, and I think I'm gonna get another one. My brother's sending me one that he found up in Montana, so shout out to my brother from the same mother. Back to the Future 1955. Very good. It has the wheels for the train, because that's that movie, because they need to go super fast and they don't have a straight road, I guess. I think that's, if I remember correctly, so they use the railroad. So yeah, I'm gonna probably unbox these 2, because I have 2 of those, and I think I want to get another one, so probably have 2 of these. Gonna unbox those. And lastly, this was when I got back from that wedding. I got this Minecraft the zombie vehicle. It doesn't say what's the name of the car, it just says zombie, and I need 3. I need these top 3: the creeper, the enderman, and the skeleton. And I have the iron golem, the spider, and the zombie, which there are right there. So I'm trying to get all 6 of them. This is one of those games that I enjoy playing. It's relaxing. Play more to build, you know, and to have fun with my nephews, because they also like the game. That's one game that I can play without, you know, feeling guilty that I'm a fighting game or a shooting game, because my nephew likes playing Fortnite. I'm not too up for Fortnite. Not that I'm hating on it, it's not my type of game. So yeah, I'll leave that one there. This is everything that I've found for the month of May. So I wish everyone a happy summer. Good luck hunting, guys. I hope you guys find everything that you are looking for and more. So peace and have a good one. Bye.